Check out this super cool egg incubator. I mean, science, right? Because if you're like me and you go back any sort of distance, you remember the big burly styrofoam incubators where you had to pour water in the top and you'd always end up frying out the circuit board on it because it got too wet, or you'd turn the little knob to turn the temperature up. Oh, now it's too high. Now you turn it down. Oh, no, it's too cold. Now it's too high again. Now it's too cold again. Dialing those things in was the bane of my existence. Also, trying to get the water in there. I actually invented a little contraption for getting the water in them so I wouldn't have to open it up and I wouldn't fry out the circuit boards. I never did anything with that. I should have patented. What am I thinking? But now I don't have to, because this has these little external water bottles that you can fill, and when you get closer to hatching and you need more water in there, you put the second bottle in there. I don't have the second bottle out, so that you have both of them hydrated at once. Super cool. And check this out, super neat. It has, turn off the studio lights, a built-in egg candler so that you can check out the progress of your eggs during the incubation. Super neat. It'll rotate automatically so that you don't have to do that. And you can tell I have not had a chance to fully use this yet, and the reason you can tell that is because it's clean. And anybody who's ever done anything poultry related knows that things do not stay clean very long. It has a built-in day count. It has a temperature gauge for turning it up and turning it down and setting the proper temperature. It measures the hydration so that you know if you've got the proper humidity inside. I wish I had had one of these a decade ago. And the tip I have for you is that if you are in any kind of a cold environment, save your packing material, because, let's turn this off, you can actually use it as a little bit of insulation. If your temperature is going to be like down on a regular basis, just give it a little bit of help so that you can help maintain the temperature. So just something to keep in mind. Keep your packaging and you can do that. So I'm really excited by this incubator. You can probably tell how enthusiastic I am about this thing. It is really neat, and I wish we'd had something like this a long time ago. I mean, look at this. All the Americanas that would be in my future. So I hope this helps.